Today, I'm going to help you update a plain bathroom easily and inexpensively. There are so many elements to a bathroom that makes it difficult to update without renovating the whole room from scratch. From tiles on the walls to plumbing fixtures and lighting, all of it may require some skilled labor and a hefty budget. And although that might be the ultimate goal, there are ways to update a plain bathroom without breaking the bank and without, in fact, breaking the bathroom. Let's look at the easiest ways to add personality to a boring, plain bathroom. One of the easiest ways to add pizzazz to your bathroom is to change the shower curtain. Instead of going with a safe pattern, go all out and think of a shower curtain like drapery. Use a shower liner on the inside, but then look for actual fabric curtains to add drama and interest to your bathroom. I love this fringed option as it adds texture and detail to an otherwise practical element in your bathroom. Or go all out with bold color like this evergreen curtain. And don't forget to add a new curtain rod while you're at it. These are things you'd normally focus on around your windows. Why not bring the same attention to detail in your tub shower combo? Find ways to incorporate artwork in ways that makes you focus on the art instead of the bath tiles and that plain vanity. It could be as simple as hanging some framed photography. Find a spot like this. Keep it fresh and simple and look to add an element of wood like these wood frames to help warm up the cold finishes of chrome and white tile. Or go all out and create a gallery wall. Take up all the free space to show off your art collection and make the rest of the bathroom fade away into the bathroom. And finally, instead of looking in the bathroom accessories department for bath mats, why not add a small area rug into your bathroom and have that be the focus of your attention? I love the look of a vintage or Persian rug like this. And it doesn't have to be vintage at all. You'll be able to find lots of affordable options for a colorful, attention-grabbing area rug to suit whatever style you love. Try to find a rug that fills the floor space without it looking too crowded. And the best part, with all these ways of adding creativity and style to your plain bathroom, especially when you aren't able to renovate or alter your bathroom, you can use any one of these elements as a jumping off point to go even further. Add accessories like baskets and trays that match the new attention-grabbing concept. Or add potted plants or flowers to enliven your bathroom's new colors. So here's your takeaway. If you're stuck with a plain, boring bathroom and can't renovate, easily add your own personality by changing a few simple things. Shower curtains, artwork, and area rugs can easily transform the look of any room, but especially a room with hard surfaces like tile, countertops, and practical but expensive features like plumbing fixtures and lighting. Forego the expensive labor and take things into your own hands by adding color and style in 3 easy ways. Thanks for watching this little design tip. We'll have lots more design tips just like this one coming soon, so don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next episode. We've got new videos every week. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And hit that like button while you're at it if you found this video helpful. See you soon.